is Lori, and I'm at the National Hardware Show here in Las Vegas, and I am at the Rescue booth here. And as you see, they have ant traps, and Stephanie is going to show us and tell us a little bit more about their ant traps.
Hi. Well, Rescue is all about smarter pest control. So we're looking at better ways to take care of pest insects that you have around your home or your yard. And in this case, ants are a very common pest around the home. And so we have our new ant bait product. So this is a bait station that is a child-resistant product, and it's ready right out of the box. So it comes in a 6-pack right here. And the single bait station looks like this. There are 4 ways for the ants to get in, 4 entrances. And then they crawl in and they are looking for food for the colony. So they'll either go for the sugar or the protein, and both are inside this bait station. It's in a gel form, so it's not going to spill on the carpet or floor. And when the ants first find it, they set pheromone trails for the other ants to follow. And they take it back to the colony and feed it to the other workers and the larvae, who in turn feed it to the queen. And that way you wipe out the entire colony. And it'll work within a matter of days. So anywhere you see ant activity, you're going to place one of these down and let it do the job. So we're excited about this product. It's a new one for us, and we're going to take care of your ant problem.
That sounds great. Stephanie, to find out for more information, or where can you purchase these, where can we go?
Sure, you can purchase these on Amazon. You can also find them at Ace Hardware, Do It Best, True Value Hardware stores, and some Home Depot stores. And you can go online to rescue.com. That's our website. And you can find out more information on this product and all our other products in the Rescue Pest Control line.
That sounds fabulous. Thank you so much, Stephanie.